Today on CryptoFox, we'll be looking at what Elon Musk has discussed relative to Dogecoin and how it affects the current market. We'll also look at some Doge price analysis and predictions. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Dogecoin keeps growing as the most preferred means of payment alongside its progress in the crypto market. The coin has had a rocky journey since the middle of August, although we will admit it spent more time in the good trend more than it spent in the dip. Nonetheless, there's been an incredible growth in the value of Dogecoin, enough to cause many of its loyal investors to experience growth in their holdings. The coin hit as high as 35 cents before settling for trading between 31 and 33 cents for close to a fortnight. It was an impressive period of consolidation that brought in profits for traders who paired it against other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. A spike in selling pressure leading to a sell-off would undermine this and cause the price to dip below 30 cents, and the coin traded around the 27 to 29 cents range, dangerously close to the lows it suffered during the June-July bearish markets. Things have, however, been altered a bit as we enter the month of September. The Dogecoin community has had a lot to celebrate lately. Doge is hovering near the 30 cents level at the start of September after rising 35% in August. With the latest update that's been released by the Doge team, fundamentals could be driving the price more than usual for this meme coin. This is a run against what people believe, that Dogecoin is driven by hype and its growth has no legs. Things are improving for real, especially as the Dogecoin developer's Twitter account announced the 1.14.4 release for all users, especially miners. According to Billy Marcus, co-founder of Dogecoin, it's most useful for miners to download the update because they are the ones who put transactions into the blocks they mine. The update saw the introduction of several improvements to the structure of the cryptocurrency, which would generally benefit miners. As it was published on the Doge Twitter account, the observed improvements are majorly much lower fees. This has been put up for discussion since May, and it's been lauded as something that would interest users and ultimately make it more effective to users. Also, increased transaction speed, which has now been reduced 2.5 times, which gives room for more speedier transactions. And they also added GUI options for users to add peers and also import private keys for better security. So, how does Elon come into this? Elon Musk was quick to remark about what a remarkable move it was. In a way, he's been working with Dogecoin developers to bolster transaction efficiency. He's always pushed for the improvement of Doge sustainability as well as decreased price and speed that he perceived will lift it above other cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin remains one of the few cryptocurrencies that's trying hard not to be outdone by Bitcoin. And one of the exceptional use cases that Dogecoin has been working on is the place of payment. Bitcoin has gone a step further as it's been added as payment options for the Twitter tip jar. This is thought to bring it closer to becoming a mainstream currency. The Dogecoin community also wants to hop on the Twitter bandwagon for payments. Twitter is reportedly in the process of adding Bitcoin payments to its tip jar, and Dogecoin investors are looking to get in on Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey's radar and have their favorite meme coin included too. One tweet from Steven Steele said, "Retweet if you think Twitter should add Dogecoin to its tip jar options." But we're yet to get a response from Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, whom we all know is pro-Bitcoin. But it's still a good sign that cryptocurrencies are closer than ever to attaining wide-scale adoption. Another example of crypto's growth is the most recent one where famous actress Reese Witherspoon announced on Twitter that she just bought her first Ethereum. Her tweet drew tens of thousands of likes and thousands of comments, largely from inside the cryptocurrency community, welcoming her to the party and wanting to know if she owns any Bitcoin. One thing that could have attracted the actress to Ethereum could be its current bull run that's seen it come close to testing the $4,000 mark. Ethereum keeps growing, especially with the popularity of non-fungible tokens and the rise of DeFi. Incidentally, an NFT of the Dogecoin mascot Doge, which is a Shiba Inu breed of dog, sold as an NFT for $4 million. Ethereum would continue to grow incredibly as the NFT market continues to gain traction. Talking about billionaires commenting on Dogecoin, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin responded to some questions from the 268 people he follows. Vitalik has become known as a Doge enthusiast himself, and he's always more than happy to talk about one of his interests amidst many other topics. The topics range from love, philosophy, fame, and health to online privacy, cryptocurrencies, game theory, and the future. One of the questions that were thrown at him was about the prospects of a cooperation between Ethereum and Dogecoin. His comments revealed that he hopes Dogecoin too will switch to proof of stake, perhaps using Ethereum code. We know that Ethereum would enjoy more from the buzz than Dogecoin is known to generate, as well as the trading volume, but it would give a real solid base for further developments on Dogecoin to be made. And that's definitely worth looking forward to. So let's take a look at price analysis for Dogecoin and some of the recent charts. According to FX Street, Dogecoin price has been on a downswing since August 16th and is ready for a reversal. A successful bounce off the 26.2 to 28.1 cents demand zone indicates a resurgence of buyers. If Doge breaks below 24 cents, it will invalidate the bullish thesis, though. Dogecoin price hit a dead end after setting up a swing high on August 16th. Since this point, Doge bulls are nowhere to be seen, which resulted in a downswing. However, the retracement pushed the meme coin to a critical support area that will likely trigger an upswing. Dogecoin's price dropped roughly 25% after the August 16 swing high at 35.2 cents. This descent pushed Doge into a demand zone ranging from 26.2 to 28.1. This pullback was met with a sudden uptick in buying pressure that's currently pushed Dogecoin price up by 12% to where it is presently. Going forward, investors can expect the meme coin to continue its upswing until it encounters the 32.8 cents resistance level. A decisive close above this crucial barrier will open the path up to 40 cents. However, in some cases, the upswing could halt at the 37 cents resistance. The run up to 40 cents represents a 35% climb from the current position. On the other hand, if the buyers fail to hold Dogecoin's price above the demand zone, extending from 26 to 28 cents, it will reveal a weak buying pressure and an increased seller activity. Such a move will delay the upswing. However, a decisive close below 24 cents will invalidate the bullish thesis, and if the crash continues, Doge could head to 23 cents. On the bigger time frame, buyers are showing power after the decline to 28 cents to sponsor a subsequent rise back up to 30 cents. If they can fix above 33 cents, there is a high probability of seeing continued growth to the resistance level at 36 cents next week. The bulls will probably absorb any decline and will attempt to close the candle near the resistance at 36 cents. If such a scenario comes true, one may expect a rise next week to the next crucial mark at around 44 cents. The rising trading volume confirms a possible price rise. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.